Good morning. It's not feeling quite as cold as it did yesterday morning. Temperatures overnight in central London stayed around 8 or 9 Celsius. So certainly frost free this morning, but we do have a little bit more cloud. 1 or 2 spots of rain, but that seems to have cleared. The cloud also thinning and breaking through this morning. A decent afternoon, plenty of sunshine. It is another breezy day though, gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures a touch milder at 14 Celsius in the sunshine. Now overnight, we'll start off with some clearer spells, but again, gradually the cloud increasing from the west. The chance there of a spot or two of rain. Still quite breezy overnight too. The minimum temperature around 8 or 9 Celsius. So another mild start tomorrow morning. Now we will see more cloud tomorrow. You can see the front in the west. It is really slow moving, but for us it does mean it's going to be a largely cloudy start. Still some bright spells, maybe 1 or 2 glimpses of sunshine. The chance tomorrow in the thicker cloud of 1 or 2 spots of rain, but temperatures still feeling mild despite the breeze. We're looking at a maximum of 14, potentially 15 Celsius. Now as we head through Friday, the chance of some showers, 1 or 2 of those could be quite heavy. You might even hear a rumble of thunder. Drier for Saturday, but through the weekend it stays unsettled.